Welcome to the MS English. 500 important opposite words. Accept, reject, active, passive, add, subtract, adult, child, agree, disagree, alive, dead, all, none, always, never, ancient, modern, arrive, depart, ascend, descend, ask, answer, awake, asleep, bad, good, beautiful, ugly, begin, end, better, worse, big, small, bitter, sweet, black, white, blunt, sharp, bold, timid, borrow, lend, brave, cowardly, break, fix, bright, dark, broad, narrow, build, destroy, busy, idle, calm, agitated, careful, careless, cheap, expensive, clean, dirty, close, open, cold, hot, come, go, compliment, insult, complex, simple, consonant, vowel, correct, wrong, courage, fear, create, destroy, cry, laugh, dark, light, day, night, deep, shallow, defend, attack, depart, arrive, despair, hope, destroy, build, different, same, difficult, easy, dirty, clean, divide, unite, domestic, foreign, down, up, dry, wet, early, late, east, west, empty, full, entrance, exit, even, odd, expand, contract, expensive, cheap, fail, succeed, false, true, fast, slow, fat, thin, fear, courage, female, male, few, many, find, lose, finish, start, fast, last, fix, break, float, sink, follow, lead, foolish, wise, for, against, forget, remember, forgive, blame, forward, backward, free, captive, frequent, rare, full, empty, gain, lose, generous, stingy, gentle, rough, get, give, give, take, good, bad, happy, sad, hard, soft, hate, love, heavy, light, help, hinder, here, there, high, low, honest, dishonest, hope, despair, hot, cold, humble, proud, hurry, delay, hurt, heal, important, unimportant, increase, decrease, innocent, guilty, inside, outside, joy, sorrow, join, separate, kind, cruel, known, unknown, large, small, last, first, late, early, laugh, cry, lazy, active, lead, follow, learn, forget, less, more, left, right, lend, borrow, less, more, light, dark, like, dislike, little, much, live, die, long, short, loose, tight, loud, quiet, love, hate, low, high, luck, misfortune, many, few, man, woman, major, minor, maximum, minimum, mean, generous, near, far, narrow, wide, natural, artificial, new, old, night, day, noisy, silent, north, south, not, yes, null, full, obedient, disobedient, odd, even, off, on, old, young, open, close, opposite, same, optimistic, pessimistic, outside, inside, over, under, peace, war, powerful, weak, present, absent, private, public, pull, push, push, pull, quick, slow, white, loud, raise, lower, rare, common, raw, cooked, rich, live, refuse, accept, rich, poor, right, wrong, rise, fall, rough, smooth, sad, happy, safe, dangerous, same, different, satisfy, dissatisfy, scarce, abundant, secret, public, sell, buy, send, receive, separate, join, serious, funny, short, long, show, hide, shallow, deep, sick, healthy, simple, complex, slow, fast, small, large, soft, hard, some, none, sour, sweet, start, finish, stop, go, strong, weak, success, failure, sunny, cloudy, sweet, bitter, tall, short, teach, learn, temporary, permanent, tender, tough, thank, blame, thick, thin, thirsty, full, throw, catch, tight, loose, tiny, huge, top, bottom, true, false, truth, lie, ugly, beautiful, up, down, useful, useless, vacant, occupied, vast, narrow, victory, defeat, visible, invisible, volunteer, warm, cold, weak, strong, wealthy, poor, wet, dry, wide, narrow, win, lose, wisdom, foolishness, withdraw, deposit, yes, no, young, old, absence, presence, abundant, scarce, acceptable, unacceptable, accurate, inaccurate, active, inactive, add, remove, admit, deny, advance, retreat, advantage, disadvantage, agreeable, disagreeable, alive, dead, allow, forbid, amateur, professional, ancient, modern, angel, devil, arrival, departure, ascend, descend, attack, defend, awake, asleep, back, front,